Hello students, my name is Anita Sen, your science teacher from Shri Rama Bharti Public School. Today I will explain few topics from the chapter Combustion and Fossil Fuels. So let's start. Combustion. Combustion is the process of burning a substance. In simple way, if you will say the process of burning of a substance in the presence of oxygen is called combustion. And during combustion, always heat and light is produced. So combustion is the process of burning of a substance in the presence of oxygen in which it gives out heat and light. That is combustion. For example, if we will take when the charcoal burns in air, it always produces a gas, that is carbon dioxide. When carbon reacts with oxygen, it gives out carbon dioxide and heat is produced. So after combustion, we should go the types of substances like combustible substances and non-combustible substances. First, we will go, as the name is indicating, combustible substances, the substances which can burn, the substances that undergo the process of combustion. Those catch fire. Means simply, if you will say, the substances which can burn are called combustible substances like wood, like paper, coal, kerosene, cloth, so many. Then comes non-combustible substances, the substances that do not undergo the process of combustion. Simply, the substances which cannot burn, the substances which do not burn, those do not catch fire. They are called non-combustible substances. Like the most common examples we can take, they are water, stone, sand, glass, iron nails, so many. Now, we will talk for the conditions necessary for combustion. There are three conditions which are necessary for the combustion. Number one, presence of a combustible substances. Second, presence of the supporter of combustion like oxygen, and reaching or attainment of ignition temperature. So these are the three main conditions. If one of the condition will not there will be no combustion. So all three conditions are very important or they are necessary for burning or combustion. Number one, presence of combustible substance. Combustion takes place only if a combustible substance is present. Suppose rest two are present, oxygen is present, but stone is there or the glass is there, means combustible substance is not present. So there will be no combustion. So it's very important that for combustion, the presence of combustible substance such as wood or paper. Presence of supporter. We all know oxygen supports burning. So the process of combustion will take place only in the presence of oxygen. Reaching ignition temperature means the combustible substance must reach or attain a specific temperature before they start burning. And every substance, they has a definite ignition temperature. Now here, there is one activity. And to show that air is necessary for combustion. First, the materials you can see, the candle is there, glass tumbler and matchbox. Light a candle, we have to burn a candle, and after some time we will cover it with a glass tumbler. Then we will observe that for a while it will burn and after that it will blow off. Why? Because the candle burns while using the oxygen which is present inside the glass tumbler. And as the oxygen gas is finished from there, the flame will blow off. Because the air supply is cut off, that's why the flame is blown off. This indicates that the air is very important for combustion. Now we will go through different types of combustion. Three types of main combustions are there. They are slow combustion, rapid combustion, spontaneous combustion. Slow combustion, where the combustion takes at a very low rate, means the releasing thus releasing a continuous supply of energy, like the cellular respiration. Cellular respiration is a very good example of slow combustion, where cells in our body, they obtain energy through this combustion. Second, as the name is indicating, rapid, where in the combustion, the large amount of heat and light is released, while as a result of a fire, like burning of matchstick, burning of a fuel. These are the examples of rapid combustion. Third type, spontaneous. In this type of combustion, no outer heat is required. Means no extra heat is required. It bursts itself. As it will reach, it will attain the temperature, it will start burning. For that, if we will go, the most easiest example is the white phosphorus. White phosphorus has the temperature 35 degrees Celsius. Suppose now during summer, we all know the temperature is more than 35, 36, 37, 40. So as it will come in contact with air, it will burn itself. That is spontaneous combustion. If you will talk for sodium metal, it undergoes again to the spontaneous, because as it will expose to the air, it will react and with the moisture in the air, and it starts burning because it attains its ignition temperature. That's why sodium is always stored in kerosene, because when it is stored in kerosene, it will not come in contact with the air. So these are the three main type of combustion: slow combustion, then rapid combustion, then spontaneous combustion. But combustion can be also classified as complete and incomplete combustion. If we will go for complete combustion, means where the sufficient amount of oxygen is present, sufficient amount of oxygen is present, then there is a complete combustion. And after this, in the result, it will result in the formation of carbon dioxide gas and water, along with the heat that is always there, but carbon dioxide and water. But if we will go for incomplete combustion, means when there is insufficient amount of oxygen, then there is incomplete combustion. When the percentage of oxygen is not sufficient, then always incomplete combustion takes place, and the result is in the formation of carbon monoxide and soot particles, means carbon particles. So these are the complete and incomplete combustion. Along with this, one more is there, that is known as explosion. That is known as explosion, where a large amount of gas is released. Means along with, you have seen in rest of the combustion, heat energy and the light energy is producing. But in this type of combustion, along with the heat and light, the sound energy is also produced. That is explosion, the process in which the large amount of gas evolved together with the production of huge amount of heat and light and sound is called an explosion. And most common example is bursting of firecrackers. So this is all for today. Now it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Goodbye.